Alrighty, the grand reveal, the full walk around, full description, full, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But we're going to set it up. First, I think we should probably put down these guys. They unscrew here. And then at the top, there's a little clip that holds it when it's in transport. Loosen these. This comes down straight. Tighten it up and then go down. Beautiful. There's some people fishing. I wish I was on that boat over there. Now we go up. That's so cool. Okay, that's as high as it goes. This goes up. This can go in the front. Open that door. You're starting to see kind of what it's all about. That's kind of my vision for it. The dogs, storage, utility trailer. This can hold 220 pounds. This weighs 150. I also made this removable, so if anything does happen, you can take it out right now, essentially, and put this on top, take it out and use it as a table. That right there, we're gonna make a coffee in a little bit. This is the ladder, barbecue for the doggos. Open this up, there's 4 locks here, the other 2. And now, these guys, there's clamps for them. Boom, so, clips right in there. Now we lower it down. Maybe if I go in, he'll follow me. Good boy. Jasper is so far the only one who figured it out. Ooh, come on. Good boy. That was awesome. Okay, so we're gonna do a full walkthrough of everything. I think we're gonna go from the front to the back, from the bottom to the top. So starting at the front, starting at the car actually, the wiring put through here goes in, and then over on this side, I had to probe to find which one was the brake and the signal and the tail lights. Got some attachments. This can hold up to 350 pounds, but I can lift it with 1 finger. So I'd say that's about, like, I have no clue how many pounds, but not 350. It goes from a 1-inch hitch all the way to I think this is 1.5 inches, up here connecting to the pintle hitch. We've got the power station here, powering everything. The coffee machine can power a projector. It can power a heater. It can power essentially anything you need to power. We've got our grill, and then moving on to Lundy. Open it up. When it's dark, there's 2 motion sensor lights that'll light up everything. This is the winter cover that goes inside. 3 LED lights in the front. This one light is actually mounted 1.5 inches inside, because when it was on the outside, the light was just sticking out a little bit too much, so I thought it would look better if it was sucked in. Here, I mounted the box with 2 corner braces bolted together. So there's 4 of those connecting the tongue box to the trailer. Moving on, there's also another light here in the front. The front and the back lights are separated. There's 2 different buttons. So the front lights go on with a button, and then the back lights go on with a button. So when the front lights are on, this is lighting up the inside. Still working on the front. Trailer lighting. These guys, the running lights, there's 1 running light here, 1 running light here, another running light here, 1 in the back as well, right there, right there. And then I mounted the 2, these are just reflectors. Same thing on both sides. Trying to stay at the front, going to the back. So let's see here. Clamps here. Essentially, they just have to hold them in place until the weight of the camper is sucking everything in. It does its job well. Moving on, these doors here, I connected them with corner braces, hammered down to be flat, and then drilled all the way through, front, back. What else do we have here? All the LED lights. I believe there's 9 LED lights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the same mirroring on the other side. Everything you see here is on the other side. On the inside, pretty basic, pretty simple. I built it with the purpose mostly to be for the dogs. There's a carpet here, and then under this carpet there's a rough material rubber textured carpet. That'll be good if you're just transporting, like, say, a bike or using it as a utility trailer. Wiring's all nice, shrink wrap, everything is butt connected. It came with those twist connectors. I didn't like them. I feel like this will be way better, and water will never get in there, so everything is nice and clean. Underneath, beautiful waves. There's a PVC, textured PVC. It'll never rot, never go through. Doors, lockable. Installed these gas springs here. And then if you go like this, they come up to be perfectly level. Boom. Can't really see because it's not dark, but there's 2 more motion sensor lights that turn on when it's dark and you open the trailer. there anything I'm missing? What's holding this from flying off when you're driving is these aluminum pieces here go down, and then when they go down, it can't move forwards or backwards because this goes past the top here. Moving side to side, all 4 straps are sucking it down to the frame, so when you're in transport, it's not going anywhere. Barbecue for grilling, eggs and bakey, wakey. Coffee, you can make coffee. My favorite thing to do. The coolest part of the whole thing, the camper itself. Yeah, I love this thing. This is my favorite part for sure. It's super comfy too. There's like 1.5-inch foam. It's like a sleeping bag material. It's super dark. When it's light outside, you couldn't tell if it's night or day when you're sleeping in here because it's so dark. And I could only imagine with the winter screen in here as well, it would be cozy. What else is cool? Some storage up here to throw your books if you read, you know. There's clips that run all the way around conveniently to hang anything you might need to hang. Pretty much covered everything. And there's also still lots of customization that could be done. You can be creative and do lots of different things. I think that's good for now.